Your boundaries are the things you need to feel safe, secure, and cherished in your relationship.
I was just going to ask you more about, because I know that your book coming out is about boundaries. Could you just say a little bit more to that?
Yeah, I mean, it's out. It's been out a few months, and it's called Boundaries Made Easy, your roadmap to connection, joy, and ease, because that's what boundaries give us. Boundaries is when you take full responsibility for your thoughts, feelings, and actions, and no responsibility for someone else's thoughts, feelings, and actions.
I
And
love
the
that.
biggest mistake I see couples making is, number one, they throw around the word all the time. Don't do that. It's not a boundary that your partner has to put away the dishes at night. That's not a boundary. That's just like a house rule. That's very different. Your boundaries are the things you need to feel safe, secure, and cherished in your relationship. That's something else. Those are the real issues. And when you're always focused on the dishes or the wiping the counter completely, that one comes up a lot. I don't know why. Whatever. When you're focused on that stuff, or how busy your sex life is or isn't, when you're focused on those things, you're missing the bigger piece, which is what's the cancer that's creating those issues. So number one, saying how you feel to your partner is also not a boundary. You know, I don't like when you say that. I wish you would do it this way. Those are not boundaries. Those are you just sort of stating what you'd like or feel. A boundary always has some kind of teeth. It has something on the other side, again, that you will do if a boundary isn't held. So boundaries are more things, I call them our core, really our core values. Like, I want to feel respected. I want to feel cherished. Here's what I need in my life. And the problem that happens a lot is that people assign meaning. So if my husband doesn't pick up his socks and I've asked him to, then I think it means he thinks I'm his maid, so he doesn't respect or appreciate me. That is not true. I mostly have had men in my practice all these years because I worked with executives for so long. And I will tell you, no man ever in the history of men, except for like narcissists, which are, don't throw around that word because everyone does. Very few people are actually narcissists, as we all know. Except for them, I've never met a husband or partner or whatever who wanted to piss off his person. That is like the last thing. EJ can, I'm sure, attest to this.
Yes, I do not try to do that.
On their mind.
It's so true. Abby, it's so
true. And so get rid of that in your head. The definition you give something, the meaning you've given something. What it means when your partner hasn't picked up his socks isn't that he doesn't love you or respect you or appreciate you. It means that he is overwhelmed too. That he also is full.